In this series, come with me as I take you on one of the most scenic road trips in America, the Pacific Coast Highway. If you are looking for some road trip inspiration, I've got your back. I take on this 600-mile drive from San Diego all the way up the Californian coast to San Francisco. I show you what you can expect from a road trip with me as we hit up destinations such as LA, Santa Barbara, Big Sur, and of course, we couldn't forget the iconic Golden Gate Bridge in our final stop of San Francisco. Think palm trees, big cities, big food, and the most breathtaking views of the Pacific coast. There's a reason this road trip is so famous. Make sure you hit subscribe to see a new video every week. And if you're new around here, hi friends, my name is Dane Luca, a travel vlogger who quit his 9-to-5 job back in England to see the world. I set up this channel to document my year away and show you what solo travel is really like. And I'm not gonna lie, it's not always pretty.
Oh my god, it smells.
It smells so bad.
Sorry, but I'm gonna have to do it because I need to go.
Ew.